This video will show you how to move data from Android to iPhone after setup in proven methods. Master Mobile Transfer is a one-click way to transfer data from Android to iPhone after setup. Step 1. Launch the program after installation and enter the mobile transfer module on the initial interface. Step 2. Plug your Android and iPhone into the PC using two suitable USB cables. Ensure that you have enabled the USB debugging on the Android phone and trusted the computer on your iPhone. Once connected, make sure that the Android device must be in the source position. If necessary, you can click the flip button to switch them. Step 3. Check contacts and documents from the table and hit the Start Copy button to start the syncing process. Please don't use your devices and keep them connected until the whole process is complete. Apple also develops an app named Move to iOS to help you transfer files from Android to iPhone. Step 1. Erase your iPhone if you have set it up before. Go to iPhone's Settings, choose General, navigate to the Reset option, tap the Erase All Content and Settings option, choose Erase Now, confirm it with your Apple ID password and wait for it to wipe everything. After that, your iPhone will automatically restart. Step 2. Make a connection between Android and iPhone. Insert a SIM card into your iPhone and connect it to a stable Wi-Fi network. Then set up your iPhone with the on-screen prompts and stop at the App Status screen. In the App Status screen, select the Move Data from Android option. On your Android device, install the Move to iOS app from Google Play Store. Next, run the app on Android. Click Continue. Tick Agree to agree with the terms and conditions of the app. Tap Next to continue. Later, choose the Continue option on your iPhone and a 10 or 6-digit code will appear. Enter the 10 or 6-digit code on your Android device to establish a connection between the two devices. Step 3. Move data from Android to iPhone. On your Android device, pick the data types you want to transfer and hit Next to begin the data migration process. SHAREit is a powerful app that can transfer data among iOS, Android, and Windows Phone instantly. Step 1. Install and run SHAREit on both devices. Step 2. On your Android device, tap Send, choose the data types you wish to move, and hit the Send button again. Step 3. Open the app on your iPhone, click Receive and tap the avatar detected by the radar to begin the process. If you wish to move photos, videos, music, and documents from your Samsung device to iPhone, the best way is to use Google Drive. Step 1. Ensure that you have already downloaded and signed the Google Drive app on your Android device. Open the Gallery app on your Android device, choose the desired images, and tap the Share icon followed by the Share via Drive option. Step 2. Install Google Drive from iPhone's App Store, launch it, and log into the app with the same Gmail account and password. Next, find the uploaded pictures under My Drive and tap the Save Image icon to download them to your iPhone. If you only need to move photos and videos from Android to iPhone, then Wireless Transfer app is a good choice. Step 1. Install and run Wireless Transfer app on Android and iPhone. Ensure that you have connected both of them to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Choose the Send button on the Android phone and tap Receive on your iPhone. Then, the app will automatically detect the device under the same Wi-Fi network and connect to the Android device once detected. Step 3. Select the data you hope to transfer on your Android device and hit Send to start sending files to your iPhone.